Hello friends, good evening. Welcome to the RSS Educational channel. Today the topic of our discussion is linear simultaneous equation, which is generally covered in class 9 mathematics. Let us start with linear simultaneous equation. Actually, what is linear simultaneous equation? If we are to determine two unknown quantities which are involved in solving the problem, and there must be two conditions given to form two linear equation. These are known as linear simultaneous equation. Suppose two statement has been given like this: two tables and three chairs cost rupees 1075. If we assume one cost of one table is x and cost of one chair is y, then as per condition 1, 2x plus 3y equal to 1075. Definitely there will be lot of points which will satisfy this equation, this first equation. Suppose these are the set of points. If x is 350, y is 125. If x is 275, y is 175. If x is 330, then y is 105. Like this, lot of points will be there which will satisfy only this equation. But by using this equation only, we cannot get any solution. The second statement is 3 tables and 8 chairs cost rupees 1875. Again, if the table cost is x and chair cost is y, then 3x plus 8y equal to 1875. Again, we will form different set of points. If x is 425, then y is 75. If x is 385, y is 90. If x is 225, y is 150. Like this. Also, these points will be situated within this line. So, these are the two separate equations satisfying two given condition. So, these are the set of points. If we make solution, if we solve these problems, then we will have a particular solution where this two straight line meets in the Cartesian coordinate system, in graph. So, let us discuss common form of linear simultaneous equation. Actually, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. In this case, a not equal to 0 and b not equal to 0 is a linear equation. It signifies linear equation because it can be expressed as y equal to mx plus c. If we subdivide this, if we make some more in simpler form. Now, if one expression is like this, equation is like this: a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, and another equation is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, that is coefficient of x is a1 in one equation and a2 is another equation, and coefficient of y is b1 in one equation and b2 in another equation, and c1 and c2 is the intersect part. So, these two equations simultaneously known as linear simultaneous equation. Actually, there are three possibilities. If we want to solve these two linear simultaneous equation, there are two possibilities. Number one possibility, the simultaneous equations will have one solution. Number two possibilities is this will have many solutions, that means more than one solution, finite number of solution. And number three possibility is there will be probability of having no solution. So, let us start the condition 1 of having solution, that is having one number of solutions only. That means there will be one intersection point of the two straight lines. In this case, the condition is a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. this is the condition 2x plus 3y equal to 1075 and 3x plus 8y equal to 1875. These two simultaneous equations satisfy this condition. That means a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by 2. a1 by a2 is 2 by 3 and b1 by b2 equal to 3 by 8. If this criteria is met, then in that case we can confirm, we can ensure that these two simultaneous equations must have one solution only, and they will intersect at any point in the graph. That means if we solve this problem, if we solve these two equations, then we will have a definite one value of x and y, and there will be a one solution only in the graph also. Second condition is condition of having many solutions. Suppose one equation is there 2x plus 3y equal to 1075 and another equation is there 4x plus 6y equal to 2150. It means if we multiply this equation with 2 by 2 at left hand side and right hand side both, in that case the second solution is obtained. That it means these are basically one straight line. It means one straight line will fall on the other straight line. Then 2x plus 3y equal to 1075. Here a1 by a2 is 2 by 4 is half, b1 by b2 is 3 by 6 equal to again half, and c1 by c2 1075 by 2150 is again half. That means these will have many solutions. It means the points which are situated within this line 2x plus 3y equal to 1075, all the same point will be situated within the line 4x plus 6y equal to 2150. That means all the set of points will be same for both the lines. That means this blue line and this black line will coincide with each other, and all the points which will be in the situation like this set of points will satisfy both the equation, and all those points will be the solution of these two equations. Number 3 is the last condition, is condition of having no solution. Condition is, what is the condition? Condition is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. That means it will just be shifted at a particular distance, but these two straight lines will be parallel to each other because this gradient of these two straight lines are same. Suppose two straight lines are 2x plus 3y equal to 1075 and 2x plus 3y equal to 525. These are basically parallel straight line, but they will not fall one with other. Yeah, they maintain constant distance when project up to infinity. That means they will never intersect with each other, and we will get no solution of both the equation. That means we cannot solve these equations. We cannot, by any means, we cannot make any solution, we cannot solve these equations. That is the thing. Hope the things will be helpful to the students. Please subscribe the channel and like the videos and share the videos. Thank you.